In order to access the drive shaft, you'll need to remove part of the exhaust. Begin by removing the center heat shield. Remove the inner portions of both undertrays and the rear tunnel brace. With both undertrays loose, you can now access and remove the large X-brace from the car. Then remove the center tunnel brace. Support the exhaust. Loosen the two sleeve clamps at the front of the exhaust and the two near the rear subframe. Then unbolt those two center hangers and pull that center section of the exhaust off. Remove the heat shield above the exhaust. A flathead screwdriver works to get these fasteners off. You should now have access to the driveshaft carrier. Support the driveshaft. Then make a cut on both sides of the carrier frame. We made cuts at the 3 and 8 o'clock positions. Unbolt the carrier from the car and remove the loose frame. Using a razor blade, cut the rest of the frame away from the bearing. Then cut any remaining excess rubber hanging off the center of the bearing until it's flush with the base layer of rubber, but keep the base layer of rubber intact. Do not cut all the way down to bare metal. The bearing should look like this when you're done. Your JXB driveshaft carrier came with a separate foot that you'll need to attach prior to installation using the small provided Allen bolts. Torque those two bolts to 10 Newton meters. Loctite is recommended on all fasteners. Now you can install the new carrier. Clamp the top and bottom halves around the bearing with the bushing already installed on both with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount the carrier to the car, take a provided shoulder bolt, add a fender washer, an isolation damper with the small end facing up, place it up through the carrier, Add another isolation damper with the small end facing down, and place the small gold washer on the very top. Loosely thread it into the car and repeat these steps on the other side. Shoulder bolt, fender washer, isolation damper, up through the carrier, another damper, and the small washer on top. Tighten both sides to the car. Reinstall your upper heat shield, exhaust, tunnel braces, X-brace, under trays, and lower heat shield, and your installation is complete.